Welcome to Busy Bride 101, wedding planning tips for the bride on the go. And I'm your host, Lisa G. McMillan, wedding and event planner at Exquisite Events and Consulting. I've worked in this industry for over 15 years, and planning weddings is my passion. If you're in the market for sensible advice and budget-friendly tips to get you through planning your wedding, well, you're listening to the right podcast. So let's jump in. Today's episode is entitled Flower Power. Quite often, I hear from my clients they know nothing about flowers and have no idea where to begin to express their floral style. Before you know it, they're frustrated and downright unexcited about visiting any florist. Whether you love flowers or simply swoon over willow branches adorned with twinkle lights, figuring this out should be fun, and here's a few tips on how to make your visit to the florist enjoyable. Tip number 1. Start by selecting one color. Just one to begin forming your wedding palette. It could be the same hue as your bridesmaid's dresses, or maybe it's a neutral color, like the ever-popular blush or slate gray. Tip number 2. Go online and type in the one color you feel content with. For example, type in blush wedding colors. You would not believe the number of color combinations. It's like a festival of mixtures and textures. So now you've gone from one color to a myriad of beautiful coordinating accents. Tip number 3. Compile images of your newfound color scheme and store them electronically somewhere in, the cloud. Google Drive, Dropbox, or maybe in a folder on your computer. Tip number 4. Schedule an appointment with at least 2 to 3 florists. Let me back up. Before you schedule that appointment, please visit the galleries on their website or Instagram to see if their style is pleasing to your eye. Tip number 5. You may not know the difference between a rose and a ranunculus, or eucalyptus to ruscus, but you do know what you like when you see it. That's why it's the florist's job to listen to you first as you show them your photos and discuss your wants and concerns. Tip number 6. Don't forget to ask to look around their shop. Does it look clean and feel welcoming? Are there shelves of vases and vessels to display centerpieces? What about reams of ribbon, candle holders, and mirrors? Seeing these items can easily jumpstart your inspiration. Tip number 7. Even if you show up at your florist shop with no idea as to color, pattern, flower type, consider this. A vendor who takes time to hear your ideas and can show you how they can expertly interpret your vision within your budget is a florist worth your time and money. Thanks for listening to Busy Bride 101, wedding planning tips for the bride on the go. To keep up with us and learn more tips, visit our website at www.exquisiteevents.info and on Instagram at Exquisite Events Consulting. Subscribe and get notified of new episodes and share with your friends. Always remember, your wedding is for the two of you.